Good product. I am a motion graphics artist and I am using this monitor for color grading and I am so happy for the performance. "20" LED screen. Heart love it. Ordered on the 10th of October 2018, delivered on the 11th of October 2018. Amazon delivery service was good. Max resolution supported 1440 by 900. Picture/display quality good in comparison to price. Got it for Rs 49.90/. One of the best choice after comparing having both HDMI and VGA input with audio jack output. 3.5mm desktop monitor. High definition video seems almost a LCD TV, only missing on inbuilt speakers and a remote, using it for purpose for both CCTV as well as viewing TV connected to dish box with HDMI. Received LG monitor with company sealed pack. Most important is this monitor is value for money with IPS LCD display. The resolution is 1440 by 900. The screen size is 19.5 cm diagonal. This monitor has connectivity of HDMI sub with aux port. Screen is quite bright and you can reset as per your requirement with the buttons given at the right side lower panel. I must appreciate the seller for delivering the brand new product manufactured in the month of February 2020 at a reasonable price tag Rs 5098/. Seller, the Apparel Retail is a trusted seller brand. Thank you. I personally like the form factor 20" over most popular 22", as it is wider than the later. Display quality is charming after some adjustment. IPS panel in budget monitor segment is really awesome. Guys, I bought this monitor from a local dealer for 6,200 Rs on November 25th as Amazon didn't deliver it in my location. I was searching for a budget 20" monitor with an HDMI port as my previous Dell monitor gave up after 6 years of usage. So I searched online for a 20" monitor but none of them. The screen is of a very good quality. Picture quality 5 durability 4 VFM4 LG 20MP48 IPS LED was delivered to my home location little but late. Now coming to monitor itself, picture quality was sharp and bright. Accidentally I have ordered this one in Great Indian Sale without noticing that another model of LG was of slim 122. Good product with HDMI cable. I am using more than 40 days. Still date not any issued. Buying cost at 5858/. Seller, Nolu Infotech. Many confusion to choose this best IPS LED HD screen, not full HD. Good viewing angle. HDMI, DV port and audio out port come this model. My usage watch CCTV. Per day running 12 hours consciously, not any fillet. Super up screen viewing angle any day. Click link in description for more reviews.